Have you ever eaten late at night and felt heavy or struggled to sleep? Or maybe you have heard that eating before 7 p.m. is the secret to better health, but wondered why. What if I told you that late night snacking could be silently affecting your body's ability to burn fat, heal itself, and even maintain mental clarity? Hello guys, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. Stick with me and I will explain why eating after 7 p.m. could be one of the habits holding you back from feeling your best. So let's talk about the power of food. The objective of Ayurveda is to keep healthy individuals healthy. As Ayurveda quotes, Swasthasya swastharakshanam aturasya vikar prashamnam cha. Keeping healthy individuals healthy and curing the diseased one. So to fulfill this objective, Ayurveda laid profound importance to food. In Ayurveda, food isn't just about satisfying hunger. It's a tool that can keep us healthy or make us sick, depending how we use it. There is a 5,000-year-old Ayurvedic quote: when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is right, medicine is unnecessary. Also, the great sage Kashyap quotes that ahara mahabhishajya. That means food is the greatest medicine. So that's not just an ancient wisdom. It's a real advice for today's lifestyle. The foods we eat and when we eat them directly impact how our bodies function. There is a fundamental principle that states yatha brahmande tatha pinde, the microcosmos and the macrocosmos. Means whatever is outside is inside your body. So imagine your body as a mini universe responding to the rhythms of a nature. As the sun rises, reaches its peak and then sets, so does your body's internal heat known as Agni or digestive fire. Around noon, your digestive fire is burning bright, ready to break down food efficiently. But after the sun sets, the fire slows down, meaning if you eat too late, your body just can't process it as well. So why you shouldn't eat food after 7 p.m.? Your body's night shift gets interrupted. But here is where things get tricky. After 7 p.m., your digestive fire begins to dim. Eating late means your body isn't digesting food properly. Instead, it creates ama. These are the toxins that slowly build up in the body, leading to fatigue, sluggish digestion, and even long-term metabolic issues. Let's also understand late dinners versus your body's natural repair system. Imagine trying to clean your house while cooking a big meal at the same time. Both tasks are important, but doing them simultaneously is overwhelming and chaotic. The same goes for your body. Nighttime is when your body shifts focus to important processes like healing, repair, and detoxification. But if you have eaten a heavy meal late at night, your body has to switch gears and focus on digestion instead of restoration. This not only leaves you feeling bloated or heavy, but also throws off your energy level the next day. So what's the solution? Eating by 7 p.m. allows your digestive fire to work its magic before your body shifts its natural nighttime healing mode. It's a simple habit that can lead to better digestion, better sleep, and a clearer mind. So if you want a more healthier and better body, I urge you to do two things. First, eat by 7 p.m. Try it for a week. Just notice how much lighter and more energetic you feel. Second, subscribe and hit the bell icon. This allows you to get more authentic health tips that can make a big impact. And if this resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's been wondering why late night eating might be holding them back. Let me know in the comments, what time do you usually eat dinner, and have you noticed a difference when you eat earlier? Let's make this change together. See you in the next video. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.